Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sam. Alright, so today we'll be looking at NewDex.io, which is a decentralized exchange built on EOS blockchain. And personally, I love decentralized exchanges, most especially when they are built on a fast blockchain. If you ever try to use decentralized exchanges on Ethereum blockchain, you will notice some delays in some orders, right? So EOS it's pretty fast, and your orders could get or will get confirmed or traded easily and faster with almost no fees. Alright, so this exchange right here is called newdex.io, right? And as you can see, if you look closely, you will notice it looks exactly like Binance, right? So Binance has Binance desktop exchange actually looks like this. We have um the stores right. Then you have the trading view or the charts. Then you have another one right here. And then the markets are here, the trading pairs rather. And then you have this here. That there are some other tabs here, right? Limit order, market. Oh, they even have market order, right? And then limit is around here. So it kind of looks like Binance, for this is a decentralized exchange based on EOS, right? So you have 25%, 50%, 25%. It kind of looks like Binance. For this is one place where you can quickly buy um, new airdrops in case you don't have enough of the airdrop, or you can sell some off, right? So now, of course, you don't have to put your private keys into this website. You can link it to SCADA, right? So let's try to do that right now. Okay, for this video, I'm going to use one of my EOS um snapshot accounts and just link that to this. So currently these are the airdrops on EOS as we speak, right? This guy has grown by 3%. Edna has grown by 75%, and that's this guy has grown by 2%. So I just unlocked my scatter, and let me authorize that, and authorize really fast. I think it's that part because I've used this site before. Normally I'm supposed to click and accept, right? So basically that's what it looks like. You have interested accounts here, but something else. Let's click on my account and see. This is how to check your balance. Well, it's showing no balance here, but I think I have a little amount of EOS. Okay, so I have available balance 14 EOS this account, and but right here is showing 16. So I'm thinking that 16 is from these little airdrops that are in here. 203 IQ. Okay, this is it right here. So 0.5, the 223 IQ token amounts to 0.5 EOS. So I think by the time you sum all this, you um, the two extra EOS that is there, making it 14 plus whatever to give 16.037. And so this is how to check up your account balance on this decentralized exchange. Right. So once you click receipts, it gives you the QR code to your account, right? So in case you have a website, you can drop this. People can easily scan and get your username and then pay for your services. All right. You can download the QR code. You can copy the account, right? So making life easier and faster, right? So we've seen the market, the different coins that are traded right now on US blockchain or on this DEX, and the exchange looks familiar already. right? So you want to trade any of these cryptocurrency, just click any of them by the side, and then the percentage you want to trade with, and boom, you're done. All right. So most of these sites are really new. I covered one the other day, which I'm going to drop the video. Um, but anyways, that's that about newdex.io. Alright, so they have most of the tokens you need on EOS. You can buy using limit order, market order. So tell me what you guys think about this new DEX. Do you think um it will really compete with the other DEX that we have on other blockchains? Alright, so tell me what you guys think.